Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy M33 5G. Okay, let's remove the labels first to have a look. This and like that. Okay, let's have a look what's included. First of all, a box with some instructions. We will have later a look in it. Let's check the phone first. So let me open it. Okay, this is how it looks like from the back. A shiny blue, and yeah, if you choose the colors, the font is always in black, no, because of the display, and the colors just affect the sides and the back. And what we have else included, let's open the box here with the menus. So we have a double-sided USB Type-C cable, and we have some manuals here. So a quick start guide and a warranty card in many languages. Okay, and we have a SIM ejection tool here, by the way, to remove the SIM tray. But as you but I think you have realized it already, we have no plug-in, so no charger for the phone. So, and if you buy one for your own, if you buy a single plug-in, then you need one with USB Type-C. So very important, buy one with USB Type-C. Or you have an older USB Type-C set already, but if you just want to buy the plug-in, buy one which one have a connector for USB Type-C. And we don't have any headset, we have no film here on the display, but I think we are used to already at Samsung. And you have a lot of features with that phone. So you have power saving mode here, you have mobile hotspot, you can make screenshots easily with the power button and the volume down button, and you have the opportunity also to make videos of the screen, of your screen actions here with a screen recorder, and you have some tools for the eye protection, so like a blue light filter here or a dark mode. And of course, during this time we have a nice tool, also the QR code reader, and we have some live translation also included, and that's pretty cool, and also a tool to recognize this text and so on. That is very helpful for studies and of course also for holidays and so on. And this phone has a 6.6 inches display. It's big enough to split the screen, so you can have here on the top maybe YouTube, and below you can look for some websites at a Chrome browser, or can do something else simultaneously. And the phone is large in the hand, as I said, with a 6.6 inches display and so on, and you cannot reach everything, but there's a one-handed mode. Just swipe down here the home button and you have a mini screen, and you can do also everything you want, also playing games and so on, and that's much more comfortable as well here in the hand. So as you can see, you have many opportunities with this phone, and the price very well, especially for a 5G phone here. And yeah, I hope I could give you some impressions here for the phone, and with this mini overview. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment here in this video, or what you like the most and so on here of the phone, and or you can give me also a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, I've created also some other videos in case you want to have some more tips and tricks and so on. I will create some new stuff. You can subscribe me to don't miss it out. Thank you so much for thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you next time. Ciao.